I've just got a quick video just running you through how to fix the fuel flap issue on these Mercedes A-classes. Basically the release button stops releasing, so when the cap's shut you can't get it open. We've got a new little motor there. I'll put a link to this in the description below where you can get one from. But to start with, just to get the cap off, when the cap's stuck in the closed position, I've just got a flat bladed screwdriver here, but it's better with a pick in the first place to get it open. But just through this little gap there, I'll just show you, you can just see a little tab there. And if I just pop that open, I'll just show you in a minute. You can then slide your cap off. So it's better really with like a little 90-degree pick, and then you can get in and actually hook it round, but I only had the screwdriver on me at the minute. But then when it's shut in this position there, if you just look through that gap there, you can just see that's actually the hook of the motor just there, and then all you need to do is just simply flick that up and you can release the cap. So just get on to swapping the actual motor over now. Again, it's really easy to do. Just so you've got a couple of little securing tabs there, we'll just flick them up and slide the motor out. That's the motor released there. And just got a little can just see if you do need to access it another way, but it's still quite easy to access from the front. There is actually like a release there on the back as well. Simply a case of clipping it back into place. Obviously just test it. Just slide your cap back in, your two pieces slide on the inside, and then you've just got your little locating piece there just to look at him. That's it, your cap's on. As you can see, really nice quick fix. And I'll just put a link in the description below to that motor and where you can get one from as well. Hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.